Hello guys, and today I will be fitting these sport pedals to my Volvo. And yeah, I bought these from AliExpress for quite cheap actually. So yeah, I hope that they hold up well. And if any of you would be interested in sport pedals to your Volvo, I will also be putting the link in the description. So yeah, let's get into the install. We will start off with the brake pedal. There is some rubber that is holding it, so just try to peel it off. Start from the right and to the left, like this. You do have a handle on the brake pedal that's sitting on the right. You could just grab it and remove it. To install the new one, what I like to do is start from the bottom, push it in, get the sides in, and work the top. Just like that. For the gas pedal, it's quite easy. You have like this pocket up here that just slides in over the existing gas pedal. Make sure it's all the way down. Yeah, just like that. We do have our sport pedals now installed, and yeah, I am quite happy with them. They were a perfect fit, and they do add a bit of sportiness to the car. So that will be it for this video. If you enjoyed or found the video helpful, please like and subscribe, and yeah, thanks.